March 25th, back up doing more projects on the boat. First thing we did today was redesigning the swimming ladder bracketry. The original design didn't quite work as well as I had hoped. It'd be too easy to lose bolts that held it in place, so we came up with a spring clip design, and we put in the new brackets that we laser cut at work. So you slide it in the top. It's got a keyhole here. Slide in place, and there's a spring bracket that'll keep it from popping back out. So I'll do that there. Same thing here. Give it a try and see how that works. Alright, so here's the ladder with the brackets. We had some custom shoulder bolts made, and we got the spring-loaded clip here now. So the idea is you just drop it in place. Makes it easier to do. There you go. Nice and tight. So got the spring load here. Supposed to keep it from bouncing up, but you loosen this to pop it free. That worked like it did on the computer screen. Cool. So now let's see how easy it goes on from above. You just want to lock it in so the motion of the boat doesn't make it come loose. Sure is a lot easier than bolting it in place. You're not going to lose the nuts and the screws and all that. Cool. So project number 2 is going to be to replace the stainless tray for the galley counter here, and then install the gimbal in the alcohol stove that I bought this year.
All right.
Alrighty, here you go. Just lining up. Just put the screws back in place. Alright, we got the pan in, and I pre-drilled holes into the stainless pan, 4 of them here. I got to drill through the wood underneath, and that will be the mounting for the gimbal. battery.
Alright.
So got the gimbal in place. Then tilting a little forward, but I figure once it's got fuel in there, it should level right out. Now we're ready to cook gourmet meals on a 1-burner alcohol stove. Got a new cam plate. Trying my climbing board going up the mast again. This one appears to work properly. So we'll see how this experiment works. So I'm going to climb up and Rich is just going to pull the slack. Ready?
Yep.
Well, made it up the mast a lot easier with the climbing board. Up in here preparing for the next time we come up, which will be to drop a couple of antenna cables and the cable for the new wind system with the anemometer and wind direction. So we dropped a new fish line to make it easier to pull all those cables up next time, and just did it because we could do it.